Hello, in this video I'll talk about how meditation helped me get rid of my chronic knee pain. I suffered from chronic knee pain for about a year, and in this year first I tried to do home remedies. So I would watch YouTube videos and do Google search about what kind of stretches I can do to fix my knee pain. And when none of that worked, then I knew that it is time to see a professional. So I went to see a physiotherapist and I saw him for 2 appointments. And one of those appointments he did acupuncture using needles. But at the end of 2 appointments, when I did not see any effect, I decided to go to a different physiotherapist. So I went to a second person, and that lady, she recommended some different stretches and she had a slightly different approach to her treatment. And I think I saw her for maybe 3 appointments and still no effect. And keep in mind, both these physiotherapists are good physiotherapists that were recommended to me by my friends. And I did everything they told me, whatever stretches and home exercises they told me to do. I did them religiously, but I did not see any difference. Then I went to the third person, who is a chiropractor. And with this guy, his approach was again different from the first 2. And I seemed to like his approach the best, and I started seeing benefit from him. So I saw him for about 10 or 12 appointments, I think. But with his treatment, I noticed that my knee pain was gone about 50%. But after that, it just plateaued. After that, I stopped seeing improvement. So around that same time, I came across this book. This book is from India. It's called Health in Your Hand by SIGFA Method by Dr. B.K. Chandrashekhar. So I read this book, and in this book they recommend something for knee pains and joint pains, which is something called a Vayu Mudra. So a mudra is nothing but a hand and finger gesture, a hand and finger position. So for Vayu Mudra, how you do Vayu Mudra is you place the tip of your pointer finger at the base of your thumb, and then you press it down. So it looks like this. It looks like that. And in this book, they say that you do the Vayu Mudra for 20 to 30 minutes every day to get rid of joint pains. Now, when I first saw this, I thought, this is crazy, this is stupid, this is not going to work. But because I was desperate, because I had tried so many of these other treatments and nothing had worked, and I was just frustrated and this knee pain was beginning to get to me, I thought, you know what? I know it's not going to work, but I'll just try it. I'll just give it a try, because I sit down to meditate for 25 minutes every day anyway. And instead of just having my hands like this on top of my knees, I will just put my hands like this in the Vayu Mudra. So I did that, and I did that for maybe 2 to 3 days, and I noticed that I did not feel my knee pain anymore. And I thought, it is too good to be true. So I just thought, you know what, this is probably temporary. I'm not going to get excited and happy too quickly. So I waited. And then another week went by, and then another week, and I still did not feel my knee pain. That's when I told my husband. I started telling my friends, because now it seemed like, okay, maybe this is working for real. And now I can happily and confidently say that my knee pain problem is gone, because it's been 6 months now that I haven't felt any knee pain. I do feel it once in a while, but very minor compared to what it used to be. And I maybe feel it for half an hour or an hour, and then it just goes away on its own. So I will definitely call it fixed. Because I'm an analytical person, I wanted to analyze this whole thing, what just happened, right? So based on my analysis and also based on my reading of various books, I love the topic of mind over medicine and how you can use your mind to heal your body. So I'm into that. So based on what I've learned from those things and my own analysis, my conclusion is that there are two kinds of pains. Physical pain, which is caused by a physical injury or when we overstrain or over exercise a certain muscle. And then the second kind of pain is emotional pain or pain which is the physical manifestation of stress somewhere in your body. So my conclusion is that my knee pain, because it did not respond to those physiotherapy treatments, my conclusion is that my knee pain must have been an emotional pain or caused by some emotions or caused by some stress, which is why meditation was able to fix it and physiotherapy wasn't. And also meditation by itself, like the simple meditation I did, which was just sitting cross-legged with hands like this on my knees, that did not fix it. But doing the Vayu Mudra while meditating, doing the Vayu Mudra is what fixed it, and it fixed it so fast in a matter of 2 to 3 days. So I just wanted to share this with you because hopefully it can help you if you experience knee pain or joint pain. And if you have any questions about this, you can ask me. And that's all I wanted to share in this video. Thank you for watching.